The marked area is gas collecting plant. This is separator, where we stopped the previous video. In this separator, separation of coke oven gas and flushing liquor takes place. The coke oven gas from the separator enters the gas collecting plant at a temperature of 80 to 90 degrees centigrade. This is primary gas cooler. It consists of 3 zones having shell and tube heat exchangers. The top 2 are service water and the bottom is chilled water heat exchanger. The coke oven gas is fed to primary gas cooler from the top. The main purpose of primary gas cooler is to cool the gas from 90 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. During this cooling process, the naphthalene and traces of tar present in the coke oven gas condense and collected at the bottom of the primary gas cooler. The coke oven gas also contains naphthalene content. This naphthalene solidifies at lower temperatures and settles on the tubes of heat exchangers. So, tar at a temperature of 90 degrees centigrade is flushed from the top of the cooler to remove the condensed naphthalene on the tubes of heat exchangers. The liquid at the bottom is sent to the seal pot by gravity. This seal pot acts as a seal to the gas from escaping out. The cooled coke oven gas at 30 degrees centigrade from the bottom of the primary gas cooler is fed to the electrostatic precipitator from the bottom. In the electrostatic precipitator, stainless steel electrodes are suspended. High voltage of about 50,000 volts is supplied to each electrode. Due to high voltage, the fine and foggy tar gets stuck to the walls of the electrodes and they fall down due to gravity. The liquid thus collected at the bottom is sent to seal pot. The coke oven gas from the electrostatic precipitator then enters exhausters. These exhausters are necessary to suck the gas from the batteries itself and to drive the gas from batteries to various plants like ammonium sulfate plant, benzene recovery and finally to the batteries. The coke oven gas is used as a fuel for burning of coal. This is why after purification of coke oven gas, it is sent to batteries. The pressure at the suction side of the exhauster is -250 mm of water and the discharge side is 2500 mm of water. Due to compression of gas in the exhauster, the temperature of the gas will be increased from 30 to 60 degrees centigrade. From the exhausters, the coke oven gas will be sent to ammonium sulfate plant at 60 degrees centigrade. The collected traces of tar and naphthalene liquid from both seal pots will be sent to decanters, which is in condensed pump house. This is the overall process done at gas collecting plant. In the next video we will discuss condensed pump house.